So we've got oil, filter, brake fluid, and yeah, all right, mate. Hang on.
So I played my part in the friend zone, feeling like Eli in the red zone. No place to score, even though a home.
Looks like we've got a bit of play side to side. Connor? Connor? Hey Connor. I think I've got some left and right play. If I wobble it, can you hang on the track rod end, please? Right, that's still doing it. The lower arm. Yep, that stopped it. Can you do this side as well, please? What's that on?
Lower arm.
Track rod end? Yeah, lovely stuff. Thank you. Thank you very much. Ron. A lot of left and right play on the lower arm, so we will quite up both sides. So obviously you replace them in pairs because they have the same sort of lifespan. Another clip filled under tray. Love that. Honestly, I don't know what Renault is thinking with these under trays. I hate them. I hate everything about them.
Every time I hopped in the range, he banging cream. Always had something to sing, so loud to the scream. Louis bags matching her jeans, you know what I mean? She was super fire. Don't fire did I desire on a mental note. Never focused on no we prayed together, let's shop and even laid together. Attracted to each other, never played with pleasure. Yeah, shorty dressed like a whole song. All that shit Kanye talk. But she built like a hood girl. Beyonce got the same walk.
Yeah, I did completely forget to record draining the oil out, by the way. That's why there's no clip of it. Completely forgot. Well, I didn't forget. I don't think it was recording, but it wasn't. Right, now we've got to do coolant. Take off from there. That'll do donkey. Oh, for fuck's sake. Right, now we've got the brake fluid change to do. Bleed up the coolant. And then oil in, and we're all done. Quoted the customer, obviously the lower arms. Recommend getting both of them replaced at the same time. Anything suspension wise, I always quote. If one's failed, recommend doing the other, just because they're put in at the same sort of time. So if one fails, the other's not going to be far away. let's get the oil in, and then we will do the coolant. Quickly create the vacuum in the system. Don't know if a lot of you use this or not, but basically this sucks all the coolant pipes tight under vacuum, and then you put the new coolant in and it dumps it all in, and then you get no air in your system doing it this way. So, coolant bottle, put that in, make sure it's in the bottom corner, and then open, and when you hit 0, your system is fully bled.